Guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to do some smoked ribs on the Weber Smokey Mountain. I've had that smoker for a long time. I tell you what, it doesn't take any time at all to do the ribs on there. I've never had an issue with that Weber Smokey Mountain. I know a lot of people are going into the plug ones where you plug it in and the pellet grills and all this stuff, but I'm going to tell you what, that old Weber, it's hard to compete with that thing. So anyways, I've already got my ribs seasoned. I make my own season to put on them. It's just the basics that you usually get when you're doing ribs. I've got brown sugar, I've got white sugar, black pepper, white pepper, paprika, garlic and onion powder, all seasoning. I've got some cayenne pepper, and see how there's one or two other little things on there, but it's kind of basic seasoning, but you kind of make it, how you want it. And I've also got some sauce I'm going to use today. Is a friend of mine made this sauce, and it's really good. I've had it before. I usually make my own sauce too, but I'm going to use his since I got it on hand, and that way I got to try to make any right now. But I've got I got 2 racks of ribs that I've got on the smoker, and we're going to check that out. You guys stay tuned, and we'll just have a good time with it today. It is time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to head and unwrap these while they're on the smoker, and then I'm going to flip them over meat side up and then add my sauce to it while they're still sitting in that aluminum foil with all that sauce and stuff that's come off of these while they've been soaking more or less in their own juices. With that honey I put on there, that butter and that brown sugar, I'm going to leave all that just kind of sitting in that foil and let it all kind of sit together, and then go ahead and sauce these ribs. So you guys stay tuned. nice. So we're gonna take him inside and do a little taste test, because I'm ready to dig in. My. All right, guys, had to bring you on in the house because these ribs ain't last so long. These things are delicious. I don't know if you can see how nice and tender they are. My goodness, they're good. Man, that's some good stuff. My goodness. Fall off the bone. Nice and tender, juicy, great flavor. I see that little pecan wood in there. You cannot go wrong. And that Weber Smokey Mountain, every time, does a good job. All right. Appreciate you guys stopping by. I mean, eat in front of you, but these are pretty good ribs.